Alright, welcome to another Mad Human Pizza video. This is a Gotrax Scooter. That's the top of it. Gotrax Scooter. And I'm changing the tubeless wheel. Tubeless wheel. It's 6.5, 6.5 inches. I don't know what that is in metric, because we do inches. We do inches around here in the West. But if you look at a globe and you put the United States on the far right side, we'd be the East. So it's all relative. So I do believe the first thing you do is take this off, because that's all you see is when people in foreign lands, they refer to this place as the West. It's relative. It's just so stupid. I'm gonna need two hands to do this. Hold this while I unscrew that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, the first thing I did was unscrewed that one, and that one. And you just take this off, and it's just a regular old Phillips, well, whatever that is, that ending. And now it's time to tackle the middle. Okay, it's an 18 millimeter. So put that 18 millimeter socket over top of that right there, and then to get more extension, I have a 19, and I'm just going to set it like this on there, and that way now I have extra torque. There's extra torque because the arm is longer. That's more mass. So more mass equals more torque. So we're going to do that and do it with one hand, and that's on there tight. I think it's loose now. So then you just loosen that up, and this is closer and closer to the wheel. Getting closer and closer to the wheel. That's where we want to go. Gotta get that wheel in there. Alright. Now we just gotta pop it off. Do a little dance like this. Up and down. Do a little dance. Gotta do the same thing to the other side. Yeah. Doing a little dance. We might be upside down. I'm not sure. There we go. Let's get back. There we go. Now we gotta take these silly things off. I hate these things. Come on. You silly. Silly. Round it off, round it off. No, come on. Okay, it's on like that, and then it'll flip around. I can't really hold it, but it'll flip like that. Oh, I had it a minute ago. It's hard to do with one hand, but you gotta hold the top of it. And it's loosening now. Alright. Well, behind that one is the wire. Look at that. Woohoo, the wire. Taking this off is going to be a little tricky. Lucky, well, it's not tricky because I have the wrenches, the regular old wrenches. I'm just gonna do what we did last time. This looks like a smaller one, but we'll go with it. I don't know if we can do it with. Alright. Okay, that's going that way. I'll get it all set up here.
I guess they're paying to see my feet. I'll take my socks off.
disconnect this. There you go. Alright, so I got the wheel back on there. Used I don't know, crowbar, flathead screwdriver, and the wood scraper thing, and got this part, the tubeless tire on the metal hub, and then tighten that back on there. And I want to tighten the other side back on there. It was really tough to get on the hub, but it was doable. Now I just gotta push that back up there and get loosen. All right, go straight up and down. Get this back on here. Tighten it up. Good to go. Now I couldn't record getting the rubber tire on there. All right, so we got both of them tightened. Both these tightened down. Now we just got to put this back on there. Screw it down. Let's make sure. Let's try to put that one on there. Make sure you get the right one on. That way the holes line up.